What's up guys, it's Amelia. Happy Wednesday and welcome back to my channel. So today's video is my Halloween costume, my couple's costume with my husband Wes. We decided to be Han and Leia this year for Halloween. We had a lot of different ideas, but this was kind of the one that was the most doable because we literally didn't have costumes Friday night and we had a trunk or treat on Saturday. So we made it happen in like the matter of a day. So the first thing that I got for the costume were these white pants. So I was looking for like, you know, Leia's white dress, but I ended up finding these pants. They fit really well, just the waist is too big. So they fit really well, but the waist was too big, so I just wore them with a belt. So I got these from Goodwill and honestly really love them. I'm gonna keep them. I don't know if I'll ever wear white pants again, but I really liked how they fit, so I got these from Goodwill, so they were probably like $5. Then I could not find a top, so I ended up going to Walmart. So this is not thrifted. Shocker. Shocker, not thrifted. But I went to Walmart and I found this white turtleneck, which is perfect because it was really baggy, and I tucked it into my pants and it created that like baggy look that Leia has, but with pants. And then I just wore my white sneakers with the outfit, so that it was all white, and then black belts. And then of course I did my Leia buns. Okay, so it's now time to do the Leia hair. So I separated my hair with as straight apart as I can. And now it's time to make buns, which I don't really know how I'm gonna do. I have this and this. This should be fun. For Wes's costume, we actually didn't have to buy anything. It was awesome. So we raided his closet and he had a white button down, of course, and then a brown vest, jeans, and then black shoes. And that's basically Han's outfit. So Han wears knee-high boots, but you're not gonna find knee-high boots for guys like most stores. So we didn't worry about that. And then I DIY'd a little holster for our guns. So we went to Walmart and got two little off-brand Nerf guns, spray painted them black, which I realized afterwards you're not supposed to spray paint the orange part black, so I'll be washing that off. I spray painted them black so they looked like the guns from the movie. I used his gun to make a pattern out of some felt, cut it, and then attach it to his belt, and I also made a little bullet holder for his belt. So for the holster for Han, I just traced the gun onto this giant piece of fleece that I had, and I kind of just made a rough shape to cover the gun, and then I had to make these two long arms on each side to reach Wes's belt. And then I just hot glued a little sleeve on the back so that the belt could slip through, the same way that I made the bullet holder. And that was basically it. So this is definitely not one of the best made costumes that I've ever done. So 2 years ago, Wes and I went as Woody and Jesse from Toy Story, and that was like a lot of sewing, and honestly, I'm super proud of those costumes. I still have them, they're so cute. And then last year, Wes and I went as the Tin Man and Dorothy, and my sister was Glinda, and we put quite a bit of work into those costumes. And this year was just kind of just wearing regular clothes that looked like the costumes and a lot less sewing. But it was super fun, and I love Leia and Han, and I am just super excited that we dressed up as them. And honestly, wearing my hair in Leia buns is so fun, and I want to bring that back and do that more often. So even though there was a lot less preparation as compared to some previous costumes that I've done, I really like how they turned out, and it was just overall super fun.
And so I started blasting.
I think it looks good. So some little details are my earrings. I wore little Darth Vader earrings that are pink that I actually got many years ago as a free gift. I bought some earrings off of Etsy and they just sent me Darth Vader earrings along with them, and I ended up liking the Darth Vader earrings even more than the earrings I'd actually bought. So that was a huge win. So I wore those, and then I painted my nails like a little galaxy manicure. And then for decorating our trunk, I don't really do anything super big for decorating, but we did draw the Death Star on a balloon, which I was pretty proud of. That was Wes's idea. So yeah, that's pretty much the entire costume. It was super easy, super fun. Doing the actual Leia buns probably took me the longest, took me like 30 minutes. The left one I got up in like 5 seconds. And then the right one, I have more hair growing on the right side of my head. So it just took me forever to get it right. Love me.
I love you.
I love you too.
I know.
It's super fun to do couples costumes. So let me know in the comments if you dressed up for Halloween, what you did, if you DIY your costume or if you buy it. And I will see y'all next week for another video. Bye guys.